Hi everyone, my name is Steven Vu. I'll be Husa's Webmaster 2014-2015 this year.
Hi everybody, my name is Peng Lor. I'm the 2014-2015 Husa Activities Director.
Hi, my name is Sean Heng, and I'm the Husa Secretary of 2014-2015.
Hi, my name is Zhang Cheng, and I'm the 2014-2015 Husa Treasurer.
Hello guys, my name is Brandon Moore. I am Husa's 2014-2015 Historian.
I am also the PR for Husa.
Hey everyone, my name is Pao Moore. I'm the 2014-2015 Husa Vice President.
Hello everyone, I'm Kong Bang. I'm the Husa President for 2014-2015 for the upcoming year.
My major is mechanical engineering, and what I like to do is work on cars.
One thing I like to do is play a lot of sports and coach it as well.
My major is mechanical engineering, and something interesting about me is that I like to play sports.
I'm the kinesiology major, focusing on exercise, and I like to box.
I am currently a second year, going to be a third year, and I'm a business major, and something about me is I like to be ninja. Check this out.
I am a student at Sac State University. I am a third year. I'm an ethnic studies major, concentrating Asian American study.
One thing I love is nature.
My major is government with the emphasis of international relations.
This year I hope to collaborate with each and every one of you members and boys out there and get to know each and every one of you too. See y'all this year.
I hope I can see you next year, and hopefully next year we can make it a really good year.
Can't wait to see you guys next year.
Yeah, my name is Brandon Moore, and we look forward to meeting you guys and working with all of you guys fall semester.
And I'm looking forward to work with you guys and see you guys.
This upcoming next year, I'd love to work with you guys. Alright, so you enjoy.
I look forward to meeting all the HSA org and all the community org for this upcoming year, and I look forward to collaborate and working with you guys too. You guys have a good summer and take care.
Bây giờ Husa officer yung shata me tamo mi cha nyong monong ke lo sai be introduction video no ha be balan jime fall semester